Hey everyone, Trainboy70 here. Today I got Tomy Plarail looking for a bounty treasure set. Or should I say, Soldier Wizard Watch treasure set. It came with Muddy Thomas, who fought down the mine and discovers the pirate ship. A dynamite, where Thomas saved Ryan from the dynamite. Original skiff, who was painted brown before he was painted blue. It has a new owner, Captain Joe, and there's a fill-in. It's Sarah John. And also it came with Marion. I already had Marion, who came with Tomy Gators. So why do I need two Marion? Well, I need her for the extra or some backups. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. And now let's unbox it. There's Thomas. The dynamite car. Skiff. It has a sail on him. So I'm going to put the sail on Skiff. There we go. And here's Sarah John. Hey, well. Here we have a fossil car and Marion. In Tomy Gator, Marion, who came with Gator, is a fossil car who is blue. But in this Soldier Wizard Watch treasure set, Marion, who came with Thomas and Skiff and Sarah John, the fossil is yellow. So I will do the comparison to the fossil car someday. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we have some Japanese instructions. Here's Thomas. Thomas takes a AA battery, so I'm going to give him a battery. I got it. Oops, sorry about that. I got the battery in. Let's see if he works. Hang on. There we go. I'm going to put Thomas back. He runs fine. And now let's get Thomas a test run on the track along with Skip, Sarah John, and Marion. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna read that way. There we go. I'm just turning Sarah John's head. Well, that is a great test run with the Soldier Treasure Watch treasure set with Thomas, the Dynamite Car, Skip and Sarah John, and Marion. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Send a comment, press subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next video.